Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. My name is Luana Bossetti, and I'm an astrologer, astrocartographer, and intuitive guide here to help you bring astrology from the sky down to earth and use it as your compass in your day-to-day life. Because I truly believe that astrology is not something that you need to learn or even believe in. It's something that you're here to embody, to use it as a powerful tool in your day-to-day life so that you can connect back home to yourself, to your truth, and then feel inspired to go out and take the aligned action to create the life that you desire. This is a powerful tool, and every week I'll bring you new videos with different astrological transit, different knowledge on astrology. But this is not your typical astrology challenge. With every video, there will be a ritual, a embodiment practice, or something to really help you apply this knowledge into your day-to-day life. Because as always, as everything, if you don't apply the knowledge, it just knowledge stays there in your head, but you want to embody astrology so that it can be your compass in creating the life that you truly desire. I'm so excited that you are here, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And let me know in the comments, where are you tuning in from? What brought you here? What's your relationship with astrology? I would love to connect with you and enjoy the channel. See you in another video. Peace and love. Ciao.